traveled to Switzerland together. So nakita ko yung dalawa na automatic sa kanila. It's not even a thing that they think about. Sino na sugatan? Ikaw! Kasi ang clumsy. Balik mo yung form, nananahimik yung pinto. Naduguan niya yung pinto. I remember. And then you were like, alam mo si Donnie nalagyan siya ng dugo. Di
Kasi tinutulungan ko siya, di ba? Tapos na-pour niya yung
hot chocolate.
sa akin.
Oo, na-clumsy na ako.
So imagine mo.
Jet lag lang, jet lag. Hindi natin.
Hindi rin jet lag.
Hindi jet lag yun. Talagang Pero
I can answer.
Yun. Uy.
Wow! Hindi, kasi sometimes, syempre, pagod na sa taping, ganyan. So usually, let's say if we have time talaga, we sleep as much as we can. Most especially him. I think one of his talents is just sleeping wherever.
Basta ka.
I think that means kulang talaga sa tulog.
So you can see how hardworking he is. I'll miss waking him up siguro. From those
Oh, Donnie.
Tapatan mo yun. Tapatan mo yun, Donnie.
I will miss feeding her a lot.
Ay!
Kasi usually yung mga, well, yung naging story yun, di ba, Bilondo, di ba bro? Siguro lahat ng restaurant na pwedeng kainan na sobrang sarap. Inikutan na namin lahat yun. But I'm sure we can still do that. Di naman ibig sabihin na wala ng show, di ba?
At gusto naman namin yun, that you still get to do that with each other.
Yeah, so, ang dami, syempre marami kaming mamimiss.
Na-discover ko sa kanya na may pagka-action star side. Seriously, like, our previous projects together, or roles together, kasi I've never seen that side of him. And then this time kasi there was this one scene na I had to jump off of a building. Like sabi ko, gusto you guys feeling? We're good! So happy to be here.
We are feeling great. We're really feeling the Christmas spirit. Grabe. Di namin nakalain 1 year na since our last Christmas event. Isn't it insane how fast time flies? But we're super excited to see everyone inside and super excited din kami kasi bukas na showing ang How to Spot a Red Flag.
Ayun hawak ng flag si The Grinch eh.
Oh my gosh, kaya pala may red flag si The Grinch. Ang cute! But of course, guys, congratulations on your newest season.
One word.
One word lang, pressure.
Jam-pack. Tama yung jam-pack. Ano naman, hindi. 2 words. Actually, hindi. Ano kaya pwede? Puno. Ang dami kasi nangyari. Oo. Parang sa dami natin ginawa, hindi ko alam kung paano natin ginawa yun sa isang taon.
Actually, 2024 for me was really exciting. You know, there's always something to look forward to. And also, I look forward to 2025. So, happy holidays, everyone.
And we would like to thank all our supporters for being there for us since day one. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng pandar nyo kanina. Nakita namin yung aeroplano na may How to Spot a Red Flag, may cruise, meron ding mural sa Baguio. Tama ba?
Back, yes. Session Road. Sa Ceburan, thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po.
Sobrang na-appreciate po namin. Ayan, mahal namin kayo. Merry Christmas, guys. We love you.
Yes, thank you so much.
We know it's been a whirlwind of emotions and medyo mabigat yung mga pangyayari. Alam namin yan. Pero masasabi ko lang, hindi ko alam kasi ano sasabihin ko. Pero sasabihin ko lang, magiging worth it ang ending. Sana. Konti na lang.
Abangan niyo yan.
Medyo nalulungkot ako na hindi na natin mapapanood yung Bingling everyday. Pero I'm happy that we got to still see a glimpse of Bingling.
Hi guys, this is
Babalo
Caroline
Bonsa.
Chu. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting Can't Buy Me Love, and abangan niyo po ang pagtatapos ng Bingling. Joke lang, hindi. Bingling will forever be in our hearts. So thank you so much for the love and the support you've given us. We hope to see you guys really soon. Thank you po, and abangan natin ang finale all together.
Love you, anak ng panty.
Naman po, parang he always finds ways naman. Wow! Para makiligin ako. Totoo naman! Bakit? Magiging honest ako. Yeah, I always find ways naman para mapakilig ako. Like, just whenever kasi po ako lagi, since mahaba yung buhok ko, so it takes more time for me to dry it up or mag-ayos to get ready. He always comes to my dressing room just to say hi. So, that makes me kilig. Siguro yun. So, there are a lot of ways naman po. Like, let's say, pag minsan, randomly bigla siyang mag-order ng food, tatanungin niya ako, gano'n.
Do you
text.
Ito na sa bakery, pinabili ko lang siya niyan. Okay. Kailangan namin sa segment.
Mainit pa yan.
Ano ba
Thanks, Donnie, ha?
No problem.
Ano ba dyan yung paborito mo?
Yung kabog ang paborito ko.
Kabog?
Oh, masarap yan.
Yes.
Parang sarap din ang putok ko.
Oh, ako paborito ko yung Spanish bread.
Ako donato eh.
Bibili lang sa kalsada. Bet mo yun?
Paborito ko yun.
Masarap
Oo,
yun.
binibili sa bakery nung bagets ka pa. Kabayan!
Favorite ko yun.
Di ba kabayan parang muffin sa
Yeah.
mga shala, pero kabayan lang sa amin yun eh.
Totoo, masarap yun.
Pandaregla, masarap din yun.
Alin?
Wait lang.
Ano bang na-discover natin? Di naman, alam ba natin lahat? Di pa naman, di ba? Parang, Kuya Allen, for me, I think, ito sinabi ko rin kanina nung nagda-junket kami, parang, sa dami na naming project na ginagawa, nakikita ko kasi yung husay ni Belle. Parang mas nadidiscover ko na kaya pa pala niyang maging mas mahusay. Ang galing. Na parang akala ko na, you know, since she's already been in the industry for quite some time, ever since she was a kid, na parang alam nila yung craft niya, yung atake niya, ganun na lang. Pero hindi eh, kasi she always surprises me and everyone with the performances she gives. So yun, siguro more of a surprise to me na yung mga binibigay niya sa mga eksena, kayang-kaya niya yung pang maging mas magaling and mas mag-exert pa ng ibang atake. So, yeah. Just always, it's always a proud moment for me when I see that.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, dito kami Dito pa kami
Hindi, sa akin naman, discover, hindi, mas nagiging evident sa akin kung gaano siya kapursigido sa ginagawa niya. Like, all the more I work him, it actually also inspires me to work even harder. So, I'm so happy to go through this journey with him.
Yeah. Yung second question ko, i-change ko na lang into another question.
Got it, kuya.
Tanong ko lang, Don Bell, kung ano yung, sabi nga ni Direk yung ibang mga eksena niya na medyo challenging, pero kayo doing in general,